Stay tuned for a deep dive into today's top financial stories and market trends, brought to you by Brent Markets.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for Thursday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Let's hear from Emily.
Crude oil prices tumbled by roughly 7% as reports of progress toward a U.S.-Iran agreement eased fears of a prolonged Strait of Hormuz disruption. Gold steadied after a recent slide as traders weighed cooling inflation risks against still elevated geopolitical uncertainty. American markets rallied on reports that Washington and Tehran are nearing an agreement to end the conflict that has disrupted oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz, easing inflation fears and reviving risk appetite across stocks, bonds, and currencies. Bitcoin pushed to its highest level since January as risk appetite returned. Reports of progress toward a U.S.-Iran agreement eased oil prices and lifted equities, sending the world's biggest cryptocurrency sharply higher. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The May CD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.6% against the dollar. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Anticipation builds as the economic calendar prepares to release significant updates. Each event, whether of major or moderate importance, has the potential to impact market dynamics and shape trading strategies. The outcome of these economic data points could shape market sentiment for the coming days. Staying ahead of trends and planning accordingly can help mitigate risk.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.